part of circles. In the first part we saw if AB is the diameter, all angles in a semicircle is equal to 90 degree. Now we are going to see what happens if AB is not the diameter. Here AB is not the diameter. It is joined to a point C on a circle. We can prove all the angles formed with AB as the end points to be equal. To prove it, let us join O to A and also O to B. Okay. Now we have joined O to A, O to B. Let us join O to C also. Now let us consider the angle formed here to be equal to X. Okay. Then what happens? This angle will be also equal to X. It is because OC and OA are the radii of the same circle. Now let us take this angle to be equal to Y. Then what will you get? This angle will be also equal to Y. Now you can mark this angle to be equal to, we know sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Since these two angles are X and X, the third angle would be equal to 180 minus 2x, isn't it? Similarly, in this triangle, the base angles are y and y. Therefore, we will get this angle to be equal to 180 minus 2y. Do you understand? Using these two, let us find the third angle here. Let us name this angle to be equal to some C degree. Then you can find C degree is equal to find this angle, we use the idea angle around a point is equal to 360 degree. So to get this angle, see what we have to do. From 360 degree, we have to subtract the sum of these two angles. Now if you add these two angles, what do you get? 180 plus 180 gives you 360. So I will be able to write 360 minus 2x minus 2y. Clear, children? Now this is equal to 360 minus of, this minus is common for all the three terms here. So you will get minus 360 minus of minus plus 2x minus of minus plus 2y. Now what happens? Minus 360 cancels with plus 360. So you get this angle C to be equal to 2x plus 2y. Otherwise we can write angle C is equal to 2 is the common term which is taken outside. So I will be able to write angle C to be equal to 2 into x plus y. From this, what did you understand? Angle made by the chord AB at the center is 2 into x plus y. The same chord AB makes an angle x plus y in this part of the circle. So we can say angle AOB is equal to twice the angle ACB. See children, we have to understand one more idea. Look at the figure. Here APB can be called as an arc. Okay. Now with the same ends A and B, you have one more arc. That is arc ACB. Do you understand? APB is an arc. ACB is its alternate arc. Now we understood the central angle to be equal to double the angle x plus y. Isn't it? I will show you an example. I marked the central angle as 100 degree. So, this angle will be always equal to 50 degree. Let us see a problem based on this. Here, we use this idea to draw an angle of 22.5 degree. You know, 22.5 degree cannot be marked using a protractor. So, we mark 45 degree using protractor at this point O. See how I am going to mark. I have drawn a circle, marked the center as O, named a point as A. To draw 22.5 degree, take the double of 22.5 degree, which is 45. Now, keep your protractor at O and measure 45 degree. Join it. So, you get another point. Let us name this point as B. Now you know this angle is equal to 45 degree. From the figure you can understand this portion AB is an arc. The remaining portion is its alternate arc. So to get 22.5 degree, it is enough if you join these 2 points to any point on the alternate arc. So we can join like this. Just join this to a point here. Again, B is also joined to the same point. Now you can say this angle to be equal to 22.5 degree. Let us name this point as C. From the figure, it is clear that angle AOB is equal to 45 degree, which is the central angle of this arc. And what is angle ACB? It is the angle made by this arc on its alternate arc, which is equal to 22.5 degree. Hope the idea is clear to you, children. Let us do one more problem using the same idea. Here you are given a circle with center O. Question is, calculate all angles of triangle ABC and triangle OBC. You are given this angle to be 25 and this angle OCA to be equal to 30 degree. Now to find the angles of the triangle, we use the idea of isosceles triangles. Join O to A. O is joined to A. Now you know OA and OB are equal. Therefore, this angle will be equal to 25 degree since it is an isosceles triangle. Same idea used here. This is 30 degrees, so we can say this angle to be also equal to 30 degree. Do you understand? Now, we can find out the angle BOC. Now, what do you know? This angle BOC would be double of angle BAC. Now, we know angle BAC to be equal to 55 degree. So, what is angle BOC? Angle BOC would be equal to twice the angle BAC. That is 2 into 55, which gives you 110 degree. Okay. Now, let us mark this angle to be equal to 110 degree. Now again we know OB and OC are equal, hence triangle BOC is an isosceles triangle. So the base angles are equal. 180 minus 110 gives you 70 degree. 70 by 2 is equal to 35 degree. So you can mark this angle to be equal to 35 degree and also this angle to be equal to 35 degree. Now we got all angles of triangle OBC, isn't it? In triangle OBC, the angles are 35, 35, 110. We got the three angles to be 35 degree, 35 degree and 110 degree. And what about triangle ABC? To get the angles of triangle ABC, angle A, these two added, so you get 55 degree. What is angle B? 25 plus 35, which gives you 60 degree. Angle C, 30 plus 35, 65 degree. Children, we will discuss more questions in our next class. Thank you.